Hi, today I'll be giving a video demonstration on how to use a web application called VicKi. I'll be going through some of its core features by walking through a simple birthday party scenario. So this is the first screen the users will see. From here they can sign into the system by firstly clicking on this sign in link. This will take them to a Google account's login page. For security reasons, VicKi does not store the user's Google login details. So to access the Google Calendar account, the user must first log in through Google and then grant access to the system. So I will now firstly log in through Google. I can then grant access by simply clicking on this grant access button. After the user has signed in, they will be taken to this calendar page. From here they can perform basic calendar management activities, such as creating an event, updating an event, and deleting an event. All these functionalities were implemented using the Google Calendar API. As you can see on the left hand side, the user has two options to list their daily activities. In the first tab, they can list their events by a specific date, whereas in the second tab, they can choose to display the events by a specific date range. For example, I may want to view the events I've created from the 1st of May till the 31st of July. As you can see, I've already created 3 events within this date range, and they are shown on this table here. To actually create an event, I simply click on this create event link on the left hand side. This will take me to a typical data entry form. For this demo, I'll be creating a birthday party scenario. So I will just enter the details like I would in Google Calendar. The event is called Victor's birthday party, and it will be held in a week's time, on the 19th, from 5 o'clock to 11 o'clock. The location is Sydney, and then I create the event by clicking on this create button. As you can see, the event is now listed on the right hand side. From here I can simply delete the event quickly, which will prompt a confirmation screen, or I can view the event. By viewing the event, this will take me to a more detailed event page, which we call the event panel. This is one of the core features of VicKi. From here, users can create tasks that they want to perform before an event on the left hand side here. They can also create tasks they want to perform after the event on the right hand side here. In the middle, you see a summary of the current event being viewed. And you can also update any details by clicking on this edit link. This will take the user to the data entry form again. So say for example, I want to change the venue of the party from Sydney to New York. And then I click save. As you can see, the event has been updated successfully, and in the center, the location has now changed to New York.